As luxury limos go, the 7 Series is a roomy and stylish option, but it doesn't provide the stirring driving dynamics of its predecessors, a trait that once defined BMW's largest sedan. Under its lengthy hood, the 7 Series can feature a range of buttery-smooth turbocharged engines, from the base 3.0-litre inline-six to the 6.6-litre V12 in the M760i. A plug-in hybrid powertrain is also offered that delivers up to 14 miles of electric-only range. In addition to the usual luxury car features, the 7 Series offers tons of tech, including optional semi-autonomous active safety gear and a nearly full suite of infotainment gadgetry. Plus, its classically handsome exterior ensures you'll be arriving in style for years to come. High's classic BMW handsomeness, excellent engines, quiet interior. Low's gimmicky interior tech, ultimate driving machine character absent again. Verdict: neither more luxurious nor more sporting than rivals, the 7 succeeds mainly at being expensive. What's new for 2018? A reshuffling of optional packages is the only change for 2018. The driver assistance package on the 740i, 740, and 750i models is now called the Driving Assistance Package and features forward collision warning, automated emergency braking, pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert, as well as a head-up display in 740 models. The Driving Assistance Plus package replaces the previous Driving Assistance Plus 2 package and includes advanced features such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. A new parking assistance package is now available on 740i, 740, and 750i models and includes a 360-degree exterior camera system and a self-parking feature. What was new for 2017? All new for 2016, the 7 Series lineup grew by 3 for 2017 with the addition of the 12-cylinder M760i Drive, the V8 Alpina B7, and the 740X Drive plug-in hybrid. The latest version of BMW's iDrive infotainment system also arrived in the 7 Series for 2017. Trims and options: we'd choose among the available 7 Series models, which range in horsepower from 320 to 601, we'd advocate for the base 740i and its silky smooth and plenty powerful turbocharged 3.0-litre inline-six. The 740i starts at $84,095 and comes with loads of standard equipment, such as 4-corner rear suspension, power-adjustable heated front seats, Harman Kardon surround sound audio, touchscreen infotainment with navigation. Of the 740i's various option packages, the $400 cold weather package seems like a no-brainer, as it adds a heated steering wheel and heated rear seats. We'd also spring for the Driving Assistance Plus package $1,700, which adds adaptive cruise control, full-speed automated emergency braking, traffic jam assist with active steering, and lane keeping assist. Selecting this package also includes the contents of the $1,700 Driving Assistance Package: head-up display, low-speed automated emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and other active safety features. Our rear-wheel drive 740i is available for limo duty for $87,895. Those needing all-wheel drive can upgrade to a similarly equipped 740iX drive for $3,000. Topping the 7 Series short list of highlights are its engines and transmissions. Every single one, from the 740i's 320 horsepower turbocharged inline-six to the 750i's 445 horsepower twin turbocharged V8 to the M760i's insane 601 horsepower twin turbo V12, is velvety smooth and feels more muscular than its official horsepower figures indicate. Even the 740 plug-in's combination of a turbocharged inline-four engine and an electric motor is powerful and manages to drive with a natural gasoline engine feel that's absent from most hybrids. Every 7 Series shares some variation of the same slick shifting 8-speed automatic transmission, All-wheel drive, known as X-Drive in BMW marketing speak, is optional on the 740i and 750i and standard on the 740 and M760i. What's new for 2018? While nothing has changed under the hood of the 7 Series for 2018, what has changed is that we've had the opportunity to test 3 additional models. Our rear-wheel drive 750i test vehicle shaved 0.4 second from the 740i's 0 to 60 mph time, but the real muscle comes in the form of the 600 horsepower Alpina B7 model, which tripped to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds, beating the M760i X-Drive by a mere 0.1 second. Charging system: the plug-in 740 can charge at either a 120 volt or a 240 volt outlet. A full charge requires less than 7 hours on standard 120 volt house current and less than 3 hours on 240 volts. The 7 Series is objectively quick in every version, gripping the road and stopping well. That might lead you to believe it's a proper BMW. Not so fast, figuratively speaking. That is, BMW's core products, the 3 Series and 5 Series sedans, have slowly shed their sporty images in recent years as the brand turns its focus to crossovers and topping the luxury car sales charts. The 7 Series is the latest victim of that slide, being neither satisfying to drive nor particularly sport-high feeling from behind a wheel. Only the expensive, limited edition Alpina B7 drives like BMWs of old, and we are thankful for it. What's new for 2018? Lucky are we that BMW sent us a 750i, an M760i, and an Alpina B7 to enjoy at the test track this year. Despite sharing the same 4.4-litre V8, the 750i and Alpina are separated by 155 horsepower, and what a difference it makes. The 750i narrowly outran the 740i we tested last, but the Alpina B7 exerted its extra power and kept pace with and in some cases bested the V12-powered M760i in our testing. Acceleration: even in its most basic, 6-cylinder 740i guise, the 7 Series is quick for this class. Stepping up to the 750i and its twin-turbocharged V8 nets acceleration times that match those of the Mercedes-Benz S550. Have lots of money. The new for 2017 V12 M760i lops more than a second from the 750i's 0 to 60 mph time. Its 3.5-second drip puts it in the same territory as Mercedes-AMG's S63. Every 7 Series engine is smooth and pulls hard from idle to redline. Even the 740 plug-in hybrid variant behaves well, seamlessly blending its 4-cylinder gas engine's power with that of an electric motor for strong, turbine-like thrust. Ride, handling, and steering: as praiseworthy as its powertrains may be, the 7 Series has no other dynamic highlight. No matter which of the car's drive modes are selected, the suspension is pillowy soft, and body control is in short supply. Ever drive an old Cadillac, say, one from the 70s? The BMW drives more than a bit like those. Thanks to modern tire technology, the floaty 7 Series nonetheless manages to post sports car level grip figures on our skid pad. It has the stick, but the suspension's moves in general, and the light steering in particular, discourage their exploration. The upside of this arrangement is relaxing highway ride, although the loose stamping can sometimes allow harsh road impacts to slam through the body structure. Competitors, particularly Cadillac's CT6, managed to achieve much sharper handling with little compromise to limousine-appropriate comfort. The only partial exception to this dynamic disappointment comes in the M760i, which, while not as crisp and satisfying as BMWs of old, can still hustle down a Toulon road with the measure of athleticism that belies its 5,101-pound curb weight. Braking: if you can imagine stepping on a bag of mashed potatoes, then you'll understand what it feels like to press the brake pedal of the 7 Series. The control is softly sprung and meets your foot with an overboosted feel. The plug-in hybrid's pedal exaggerates these attributes. That said, the BMW's stopping distances are near the front of the class, although the Cadillac CT6 stops shorter and is a much firmer, more satisfying brake pedal feel.